Ibihe byiza kuri mwese mukomeje gukurikira KTV Skills, nizere ko mumeze neza kabisa. Nje kubatamu top 10 kabisa, nge mwumva aracyari Ismail King Bros DJ.
Welcome back to the African Informant.
Kabisa African Informant kabisa. Afrika imijyi 10 ya mbere muri East Africa.
Home to some of the most beautiful cities.
East African region kabisa, igice cy'iburasirazuba harimo ni hamwe mu hantu haboneka imijyi myiza kabisa kuri isi yacu ya rurema.
In the world, these bustling and colorful cities provide a unique insight
Ku mabara ndetse n'uburyo ki imijyi igaragara kabisa, iri muri bimwe bikurura ba mukerarugendo baturutse impande n'impande baza gusura imijyi yacu.
the local cultures and provide tourists with a lifetime opportunity to interact with friendly locals, taste some of the most delicious foods, and enjoy scenic views. Without further ado, let's look at the top 10 most beautiful cities in the East African region.
Munyemerere mbagezeho imwe mu mijyi 10 ya mbere muri Afrika kabisa yacu y'iburasirazuba, iyoboye iyindi mu kuba neza cyane, mu gutera neza ndetse n'ibindi bigiye bitandukanye. Mwibutsa kureba munsi nimba wamaze gukora subscribe kugira twinjirane muri kiganiro kabisa cy'imijyi 10 ya mbere muri Afrika, wamaze kutwiyungaho kabisa, gukoraho kabisa isagonda rimwe.
Number 10 is Kisumu. Kisumu is one of the major cities in Kenya, located in the western part.
Ku mwanya wa 10 turasanga Kisumu kabisa muri Kenya, iherereye mu burengerazuba kabisa bwa Kenya, niyo dusanga ku mwanya wacu wa 10.
Kenya, on the shores of Lake Victoria. This city has undergone massive transformations in the last 7 years under the leadership of
Uyu mujyi kabisa umeze neza kabisa, ufite isuku, watangiye kubakwa cyangwa se kuvugururwa mu myaka 7 ishize hamwe na leta ya Kenya kabisa, bakoresha iyo bwabaga.
Governor Anyang' Nyong'o. The city is now well organized, clean and less congested.
Ubu ni umujyi ufite isuku kabisa, uteye ubwoba, ubona ko ubereye ijisho kuba wahaba kabisa.
Bujumbura is the economic capital of Burundi.
Ku mwanya wacu wa 9 turasanga Bujumbura. Bujumbura kabisa, umujyi wahoze ari wo capital city cyangwa se umurwa mukuru w'igihugu cy'u Burundi, niwo dusanga ku mwanya wacu wa 9.
The country. It is also the largest and the busiest city in Burundi. Bujumbura.
Ikindi kandi Bujumbura niyo nini kabisa mu gihugu cy'u Burundi kabisa, niwo mujyi munini nyuma ya imbere ya Gitega. Bujumbura irabanza, Gitega igakurikira, ari naho murwa mukuru ubu ngubu.
Is a vibrant city with friendly people, clean streets, well-tarmacked roads, excellent food.
Kabisa uyu muhanda kabisa ufite akaburimbo original kabisa, well-tarmacked roads, ndetse n'aha abanyamaguru bagendera kabisa, ubona ko ari umujyi uba umeze neza kabisa.
8. Mombasa.
Ku mwanya wacu wa 8 turasanga Mombasa kabisa, iherereye ku nkombe z'inyanja y'Abahinde kabisa, ubona ko ari umujyi wagutse neza wagira ni Dubai.
Mombasa is the second largest city in Kenya.
Mombasa ni umujyi wa kabiri munini kabisa mu gihugu cya Kenya,
After Nairobi.
nyuma ya Nairobi.
Also serves as the main port of Kenya and other landlocked countries like Uganda.
Mombasa kabisa ni main port kabisa, cyangwa se ariya ubwato buparika kabisa, ndetse bunafasha kohereza ibicuruzwa bino bihugu bidakora ku nyanja nk'u Rwanda ndetse u Burundi ndetse na Uganda
and Rwanda. The city is also called the Blue and White City because
uyu mujyi kabisa ukaba urindi zina wawumenyaho, ukaba witwa ubururu cyangwa se umweru.
most buildings are painted blue and white.
kubera ko amazu cyangwa se inyubako ziri muri uyu mujyi ziri mu mabara y'ubururu ndetse n'umweru.
Mombasa is also known for its many beautiful sandy beaches, unique
Mombasa kandi ikaba ifite beach cyangwa se umucanga umeze neza cyane bawifashwamo n'inyanja y'Abahinde
Swahili culture and several tourist
ndetse
attraction
n'imico
sites.
y'Abaswahili kabisa, ikaba inakura ba mukerarugendo kabisa. Abaswahili ndakeka mubazi bariya b'Amasayi
Number
n'abandi.
7, Mogadishu.
Ku mwanya wa karindwi turasanga Mogadishu kabisa muri Somalia.
The capital city of Somalia is
Umurwa
one of the
mukuru.
fastest growing cities in the world after suffering the effects of terror attacks for several years.
Uyu mujyi kabisa ukaba umeze neza nyuma y'imyaka myinshi kabisa ubamo ibintu by'intambara kabisa, abawataka imitwe yitwaje intwaro ba terabwoba kabisa.
This city, which is located in the coastal area of the Indian Ocean, has beautiful
Uyu mujyi kabisa nawo ukaba uherereye ku nkombe z'inyanja y'Abahinde kabisa, ari nabyo bituma ugira furusher kabisa.
beaches and serene environment that attracts tourists all over the world. The city itself has towering
Hakaba
modern
hari n'ahantu
architecture.
hakurura ba mukerarugendo ndetse uyu mujyi ukaba uri safe kabisa, umeze neza kabisa bitewe na ziriya furusheri ziva mu nyanja y'Abahinde ndetse n'ibindi.
Giving it
Inyubako
a very
nziza
beautiful outlook.
bigatanga kabisa isura nziza kabisa, urabona ko ari umujyi uri well organized cyangwa se umeze neza kabisa. Mwibutsa kureba munsi nimba amaze gukora subscribe, muracyari kumwe na Simara King Bros JJ.
Addis Ababa, the capital
Ku mwanya
city of
wacu wa
Ethiopia,
gatandatu
is a
Addis
highly developed
Ababa,
city
umugwa
and
mukuru wa
an important
Ethiopia.
artistic, financial, and administrative center of Ethiopia.
Uyu mujyi wa Addis Ababa kabisa urimo ibikorwa bya guverinoma bigiye bitandukanye, ama office, akaba ari umujyi ubarizwamo buri kimwe cyose kabisa. Inzego z'ibanze zose niho zikorera kabisa.
Addis Ababa is also known to be the political capital of Africa, as
Addis Ababa kandi yitwa kuba irimwe ahantu haba ibintu bya politiko kabisa, kuko ari naho hari umuryango wa Afurika yunze ubumwe.
the African Union headquarters and many international organizations have their headquarters in Addis Ababa.
Ndetse n'izindi kabisa n'indi miryango kabisa mpuzamahanga ifite icyicaro mu gihugu cya Ethiopia mu mujyi wa Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa is also the highest capital city in Africa, standing at an elevation of
Addis Ababa kandi niwo mujyi wa mbere muri Afurika cyangwa se uri mu ya mbere ufite highest house, inzu ndende kabisa kabuhariwe, ubona ko ari neza neza nk'izi Dubai.
2,355 meters above sea level.
Mukomeza gukora subscribe tuza tugera muri eshanu ya mbere. Se uribaza mu mijyi itanu isigaye u Rwanda urabona ruraza ku mwanya wa kangahe? Byandike muri comment ngo ndaza kureba ibyo ari byo kabisa. Tujye ku mwanya wacu wa gatanu, Kampala mu gihugu cya Uganda, umurwa mukuru wa Uganda. N'umwe mu mijyi kabisa myiza muri Afurika y'Iburasirazuba kabisa, kubera uburyo ki iri aha bakunda kuyita Seven Hills.
Kampala is also called the city of seven hills. The city is also located close to the shores of Lake Victoria, giving it
uyu mujyi kabisa nawo ukaba uherereye cyangwa se uri iruhande kabisa ya Lake Victoria kabisa,
a very beautiful outlook.
bituma ugira isura nziza ugasa neza kabisa. Buriya imijyi yose myiza ibiri iruhande rw'amazi magari, rero Lake Victoria ifasha Uganda kuba umujyi mwiza kandi ukeye. Kampala hirya gose mu Bugande, abaturanyi b'u Rwanda. Kigali yacu kabisa, Kigali kabisa ni umwe mu mijyi ya mbere ifite isura nziza. Iyo bavuze green city ni ya mijyi ibirimo kabisa look nziza igaragara neza kabisa, igiye irimo ibiti bigiye bitandukanye. Ni umwe mu mijyi ya mbere isa neza rero muri Afurika yose.
The rapid development and beautification of the city has been
Mu gutera imbere byihuse kabisa, rapid ni umuvuduko utabaho kabisa u Rwanda rwacu rugezeho nyuma yo guca mu bibazo bya jenoside 94.
Credit to President Kagame and his government for the effort they put in when it comes to transforming the city of Kigali. Kigali is popular for being the
Kigali kabisa irazwi nyuma y'uko Paul Kagame ndetse nabo bafatanyije batse credit cyangwa se inguzanyo bagashyira imbaraga mu kuzamura Kigali yacu, ikaba ikeye kandi inasa neza kabisa, ikaba izwi ku ruhando mpuzamahanga.
cleanest city in Africa, and this is very evident from the clean streets and roads in Kigali.
Ni kimwe mu kimenyetso kabisa kuko imihanda ya Kigali n'abaperezida b'i Burayi baraza bagakoma amashyi kabisa kuba yubatse neza kabisa, ndetse harimo n'imiturirwa igiye irenze, harimo nka za Convention Center, Kigali Arena, Kigali City Tower ndetse n'ibindi.
Number 3, Dar es Salaam.
Ku mwanya wa gatatu Dar es Salaam.
And the economic hub.
Dar es Salaam kabisa ni umwe mu mijyi minini kabisa yagutse iherereye hariya muri Tanzania kabisa.
Of Tanzania. The city served as the capital city of Tanzania until the status of the
Dar es Salaam kabisa ijya kwitwa neza kabisa, cyangwa se abenshi bayifata nka capital city cyangwa se umurwa mukuru wa Tanzania.
Capital was transferred to Dodoma in 1974 by Mwalimu Julius
kabisa. Dar es Salaam yaje gukurwa ku murwa mukuru mu 1974 kabisa, igirwa Dodoma.
Nyerere. In 2019,
igizwe na Julius Nyerere.
John Pombe Magufuli took the move a notch higher by shifting all government operations to Dodoma. Dar es Salaam
kabisa. John Pombe Magufuli witabye Imana imuhe iruhuko ridashira, yafashe ibikorwa bimwe na bimwe bya guverinoma cyangwa se iby'igihugu byakoraga muri Dar es Salaam abyimurira i Dodoma.
It's a very beautiful city along the coastal area of the Indian Ocean with beautiful
ni umujyi kabisa mwiza kabisa, nabibabwira ati imijyi yose hafi ya mbere iba yegereye inyanja kabisa. N'uyu mujyi wa Dar es Salaam kabisa wegereye inyanja y'Abahinde kabisa.
full sandy beaches and clear waters ideal for snorkeling. Dar es Salaam also serves as the main port of Tanzania and also the land
kabisa. Dar es Salaam niyo port kabisa, nicyo cyangwa se niho ubwato buparika kabisa buzanye ibicuruzwa kabisa, bugafasha guha ibicuruzwa ibihugu bidakora ku nyanja biri landlocked, harimo u Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda ndetse n'ibindi
of countries of Uganda and Rwanda.
Andika muri comments bwese imijyi ibiri ya mbere urabona harazamo uwuhe? Zanzibar kabisa.
One that you can never find anywhere else in Africa. The city has a blend of cultural influences including the Middle East.
Kabisa uyu mujyi wa Zanzibar kabisa ni n'ikirwa kabisa cyiza cyagizwemo uruhare mu kucyubakana Abafaransa kabisa ubwo bakolonizaga in East Africa,
India, Europe and Africa. People who have visited Zanzibar actually say that Zanzibar is more of Europe than Africa.
kabisa. Abamwe mu bantu basura Zanzibar bavuga ko ari nk'Iburayi kurusha uko bavuga ngo ni muri Afrika kabisa. Ibyamamare byinshi niho bijya kuruhukira.
Located in Zanzibar is one of the most beautiful places you'll ever visit in the world.
Zanzibar kabisa ni hamwe mu hantu heza ushobora kuba wasura kurenza ahandi kabisa kuri iyi si kabisa, kubitewe n'imiterere yaho abantu bose bahageze bahava biyamira.
a very long coastline with white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, ideal for snorkeling, and a warm climate.
ndetse n'ikirere cyaho kabisa gishyushye kabisa gituma abantu baza kuharuhukira mu gihe bari mu gihe cy'ubukonje i Burayi. Mwibutsa gukora subscribe tujye ku mwanya wacu wa mbere. Nairobi kabisa,
the most developed city in the East African region.
Kabisa Nairobi, most developed city in African region. Umujyi kabisa urenze Nairobi muri Kenya.
Nairobi is also regarded as the most beautiful city in the region. The city, which is nicknamed the Green City under the sun, is
kabisa uno mujyi ukaba witwa kabisa Green City under the sun. Kabisa umujyi urimo ibiti kabisa, ubona utanga frusheri ku bantu bahatuye kabisa. Nairobi muri Kenya,
city in the world with a national park located within the city. The park is
kabisa akaba ari nawo mujyi wa mbere muri Afurika kabisa uherereyemo national park cyangwa se ipariki kabisa hagati mu mujyi, ari wo mujyi ari no mu mujyi kabisa, bituma aba umwe mu mujyi ya mbere ikunzwe cyangwa se myiza ndetse n'abantu basura cyane muri Afurika.
called the Nairobi National Park and is a major tourist attraction site in Kenya. The city is well developed with beautiful roads and tall buildings towering the skyline of
kabisa. Uno mujyi ukaba ufite imihanda myiza kabisa ndetse n'amazu yubatse neza kabisa, akaba ari bimwe mu bikurura ba mukerarugendo.
The streets in the city are also clean and well organized.
Ndetse n'imihanda ikaba isukuye ikeye byatari kabisa, ndetse ari na migari. Amatara yo ntabwo abaho neza ni nk'i Burayi.
Thank you for watching this video to the end.
Mbashimira kuba mwakoze mwarebye ino video tukaba tuyisozanyije. Don't forget like, share and subscribe kuri channel. Muri comment mutubwira etonde tono tuzatwikora mu minsi iri imbere. Mbashimira cyane, mwari muri kumwe na Ismail King Bruce JJ. Ciao ciao na butaha.